Can crypto become cash? Withdrawing from Coinbase to PayPal. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's question might surprise some of you. Can you actually turn your crypto holdings into cold, hard cash through your PayPal account? We all know the story by now. Bitcoin's meteoric rise, the meme coin craze, the endless chatter about NFTs, cryptocurrencies have become a fascinating, and sometimes confusing, part of our financial landscape. But what if you've dabbled in, bought some Bitcoin or Ethereum, and now you're wondering, how do I get this money I can use for real-life stuff? That's where the question of connecting Coinbase and PayPal comes in. Coinbase is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges around, a platform where you can buy, sell, and trade all sorts of digital assets. PayPal, on the other hand, needs no introduction. It's the online payment giant we use for everything from shopping online to sending money to friends. So, can these two financial titans join forces and let you withdraw your crypto into your PayPal account? The answer is, it's complicated. Buckle up, because we're going to unpack the why and how of this situation. First, let's understand how withdrawals work on Coinbase. Traditionally, you'd link your bank account to your Coinbase profile. When you want to sell your crypto and get regular money, you initiate a withdrawal, and the funds are deposited into your linked bank account. Easy enough, right? Here's where PayPal throws a wrench into the works. Coinbase, as of today, doesn't directly allow withdrawals to PayPal accounts. This might seem strange, considering both platforms deal with money in some form. But there are a few reasons behind this. One reason is security. Cryptocurrencies operate on a decentralized blockchain system, separate from traditional banking institutions. PayPal, on the other hand, is very much part of the established financial system. Merging these two worlds can be complex, and ensuring secure transfers between them is a priority for both Coinbase and PayPal. Another reason is regulation. Cryptocurrencies are still a relatively new asset class, and regulations are constantly evolving. Coinbase and PayPal have to comply with these regulations, which can make direct transfers between them tricky. So, what are your options if you want to access your crypto holdings through PayPal? Well, there are a couple of workarounds, but it's important to understand they're not perfect solutions and might come with additional fees. One option is to sell your crypto on Coinbase for cash and then transfer that cash to your PayPal account. This essentially involves two separate transactions, selling your crypto for USD and then transferring those USD to PayPal. While this works, you'll likely incur fees for both the crypto sale and the money transfer. Another option is to use a third-party service that acts as a bridge between Coinbase and PayPal. These services essentially buy your crypto from you with USD and then deposit those USD into your PayPal account. Again, this gets the job done, but be sure to research these services carefully. Look for established, reputable providers and compare their fees before diving in. Now, here's the important caveat. The situation with Coinbase and PayPal withdrawals is constantly evolving. Regulations are changing, and both platforms might introduce new features in the future. So, it's always a good idea to stay updated on the latest developments. Keep an eye on official announcements from Coinbase and PayPal to see if anything changes regarding direct crypto withdrawals to PayPal. With that said, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto content. Until next time, stay informed and happy trading.